Let's compare and contrast audits and ADA compliance. And these two terms are related, but at the same time, they are definitely independent of one another. And for many website owners, they are concerned with being sued. So let's first look at audits and ADA compliance within the context of reducing risk of being sued over website accessibility. So an audit is merely going to report on all of the accessibility issues that exist on our website. So it's important that just because you purchase an audit, that you don't have a false sense of confidence or a false sense of progress, because here all we're getting is a list of the accessibility issues that exist on our website. What is absolutely essential is that as soon as we receive that audit report, we start fixing those issues and resolving each issue one by one so that we can improve the accessibility of our website and work towards conformance with a given standard. So usually the standard will be WCAG 2.1 AA or 2.2 AA. But the point is that we are working on improving accessibility, and by doing so, we will progressively lower our risk of being sued. So again, the audit is the essential first part of this, but then the other part that must be done for progress is you have to actually take action on the audit. So continuing on with this slide I have, it doesn't mean your website follows best practices for ADA compliance. So for example, WCAG 2.1 AA conformance, or that you will not get sued. So an audit doesn't mean either of those two things. However, it does give you that essential list of accessibility issues to start making fixes. Now, looking at audits and compliance more broadly, again, it's the same concepts. An audit is going to be necessary to identify the accessibility issues. And then as we work towards conformance with a given technical standard, whatever that technical standard is, then we are going to work towards compliance. And then if we are fully conformant with the technical standard that the law or the regulation requires, then we're going to reach compliance for the material portion of compliance. So when I say material portion, that is dealing with the actual accessibility of our digital assets. From there, we also need to be aware of the administrative requirements. But that's really what I wanted to talk about with this slide, is just making sure that we compared audits and ADA compliance so that everyone knows the difference and how they relate to one another. So that's going to do it for this slide. If you need help with an audit, you can visit accessible.org audit/audits, and there you will find all of the information you need. So let's continue on with the next video.